Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. Let's get into the math nation and see what's up. We have two exercises that we're going to be doing here today. So let's go and get them going. We have one on the board here. We're going to do a short one and we're going to do one not so long. Put it that way. Could you be given this? So you're being asked to solve for A. Of course, the first thing we're going to do is attack the positive 8 by undoing it. And when you undo positive 8 to become negative 8, so you're going to subtract 8 from both sides. We're going to align accordingly. And from there, if you look carefully, the 8s are going to dissipate from the left hand side. And it's going to reappear on the right hand side. So now you're going to hear what? Negative A over 2 equals to 5 minus 8 is negative 3. From there, what next we're going to possibly do? We're going to, you see division is going on here, so the opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by what's at the bottom here. That's 2. So you multiply the side by 2. You multiply the left hand side by 2. Multiply the right hand side by 2. And this is like the traditional scale. Because in these days they're using digital scale, so you're not getting a chance to see when you put a weight on one side and the item on the other side, how they balance out. But that traditional scale impression is applicable to here. So whatever you do on one side, on the other side. From there, we're going to have these two canceling. So negative A is equal to what? Negative 6. In this case, because we have two negatives, we're going to cancel them out. Which is the same as multiplying both sides by negative 1. How to do that? No problem. You can cancel them out or multiply both sides by negative 1. So we're going to put a 1 here. And we're going to multiply 2 out by negative 1. Multiply 2 out by negative 1. So in other words, negative 1 by negative 1A is A. And negative 1 by 6. Negative 6 is a positive 6. Sorry. And this is how you solve such a system. So please note what has happened here. Good. For this one here now. With solving these equations, you got to pay attention to all that is being done with each of them. Look at this one here now. Don't get scared now. Math is simple. Now, okay then, just relax. And let's go through this step by step. You've been given an equation like this. First thing that you gotta do is get rid of the parentheses. Right, so let's go and get rid of parentheses. So you're gonna write back the left hand side as it is. On the right hand side, we're gonna get rid of the parentheses in the numerator, so you're gonna have to distribute. And that term is being used very often. So that's 3 times 3x is 9x. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And there we go. In a situation like this now, there are several ways in which you can attack this, but you can approach the one way by cross multiplying. So you're going to cross multiply. So you're going to cross multiply. So in other words, we're going to have 4 times, we cross multiply, right? 4 times 5x plus 7. Not 4 times 9x minus 3. That's a no-no. You cross multiply diagonally. It's equal to 2 times 9x minus 3. Good? So please note what has happened here. And this exercise resembles an exercise that we did yesterday or in our last video. You can check it back. And from there, we're going to go through the process of distributing. So let's go and distribute. So we're going to have 4 times 5x is 20x. 4 times 7 is 28. And over here we're going to do 2 times 10. We're going to have 2 times 9x is 18x. And 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Good. And from there, we are going to go and attempt to group our like terms. So we're going to go after the x's first. So you want this negative, you want this 18x to go on to the left hand side. So in other words, we're going to undo it from over here and we're going to align accordingly. So you're undoing 18x, it becomes negative 18x. If you whatever you do on one side of the scale, you do on the other side of the scale. Please note what's going on there. And from there, on the right hand side, these two are going to cancel out because 18x minus 18x is 0. What we're going to leave it? We're going to leave it 20x minus 18x is 2x. Bring down your 28. Bring down your negative 6. And from there, we're going to go and further undo. We're going to go after the positive 28 by undoing. So we're going to have to subtract 28 from both sides. On the left hand side, these two are going to go. Count 28 minus 20 is 0. So you're going to have 2x equals to what? Negative 6, negative 28, or minus 28 is negative 34. Right? And from there, yeah, we are about to close it off. From there, we're going to have to undo multiplication because 2 and x are multiplying, and to undo multiplication, you got to divide. If you divide here by 2, I'll do the same thing on the other hand as well. So if you divide the left hand side by 2, you got to divide the right hand side by 2. You can't just do it one side. Got to do it on both sides. It's like the scale, remember the traditional scale, so please note that. From there, these two are going to cancel out. So x is equal to what? How many 2's are in 34? 17, but that's not a 34, that's negative 34. So 2 into negative 34 is negative 17. And this is how you solve a system like this. So please note what has happened. So visit back my videos for reinforcement purposes, and just how basically you solve a system like this. Is that okay? Thank you very much. God bless you, and thank you for watching my video. Take care.